Hey guys, what's going on? So I've been having an issue with my cell phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. I know it's not the newest phone out there, but it's a good phone and it works great for me. But the issue I've been having is when I do have to plug it in, I've been having an issue with the cable not seating properly in the charge port, to the point where I'd have it plugged in thinking it's charging and it wouldn't charge. Now I do take advantage of a lot of QI charging, so that's not an issue, but it's when I do have to plug it in, I've been having an issue with that. So I've tried a couple of different cables, cheapy ones from like the convenience store. Spent a couple bucks on a Belkin one thinking that would be good. And the issue that I'm having is that when they go in, they don't lock in place. Comes right out, okay? Now if I'm trying to use the phone with it plugged in, the cable's gonna fall right out. This is a brand new cable that I just bought a few days ago from like Walgreens or something. It's a Belkin cable and this doesn't work. Okay, to me this is not good enough. So I put up a post on Facebook asking friends and family what they thought, and a couple of people, one of my nephews actually mentioned Anker brand. So quick Google search comes up, tons of reviews on Anker, and they seem to say that this stuff is like some of the best you can buy. So I hop on Amazon real quick and I picked up a couple of them. This is a 3-footer. This was $8.99 and the 6-footer was $9.99. So for like $1 more you get twice as long a wire. But these are the PowerLine micro USB, PowerLine Plus micro USB cables. So let's check these things out. Let's see if they live up to the hype. So first of all, first impression right off the bat, it comes in a real nice box. So it doesn't just come in like a Ziploc bag. So they've got a little bit of information here on the back. America's leading USB charging brand, faster, safer, 10 million plus happy users and counting. So that is one of the things that I was looking for too, is the ability to do fast charging, because the S7 does have that ability built in, but not every cable allows you to do that. So I wanted to make sure that this one does. So let's check this out and see what this is all about. Again, really nice packaging. Whoa, look at this. It looks like it comes in its own little wallet. What is this? Anker, America's leading USB charging brand. Look at this. This is for $8, $8.99. This is actually pretty neat. So this is the woven one. I chose the gray just to kind of differentiate it from some of the other cables in the house. It looks pretty cool. It's got a nice woven fabric on the outside. It's a little rigid, a little stiff, but hopefully that'll work its way in as we start to use it a little more. Real nice ends on it. There's the Anker logo right there. But nice ends on it. Got a good feel to it. Something pretty grippy. I've had some that were like so smooth plastic that you go to try to grab them and your fingers just slip on them. But yeah, it feels pretty good. Let's see how it locks into the phone. Oh, definite. Okay, that clicked. I'm tugging on this thing. Now, I know this probably isn't the best thing to do, okay, but look at that. All right, first impression, right out of the water, blown away as far as cables go. I know that's a big, it's kind of an exaggeration, but I haven't had a cable, not even the original Samsung cables, that really click in and feel that solid and secure. So let's take a look at the other cable here. Now this one was the 3-footer, which is good for most use, and from what I was seeing, people were saying that the fast charging was better with the 3-foot cable. But let's see what that other cable is all about here. All right, so this one is the Anker PowerLine Micro USB PowerLine Plus. This is the 6-footer. That's supposed to be. This was $1 more. It was like $1 more. And again, very impressive packaging. Look, for a $9 cable. Okay, this is $9.99 shipped from Amazon with Prime. This is pretty impressive. Yeah, look at this. Real nice packaging. I'm probably never going to use this little holder ever again, but the thought that they put it in the packaging and this is how they package all of their cables is pretty impressive. So let's see how this one is, if this one still feels, yeah, this one feels rigid like the other one too. But again, pretty certain this is going to wear in as we use it a little more often. you know, I think that it'll break in real fine once we get using it. So let's see how this one feels. If this one has the nice solid feel as the other one did. Oh yeah, clicked in. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, so compared to a Belkin cable that I just bought not too long ago, and granted, I understand, you know, maybe I paid a little too much buying it at Walgreens, but this Belkin cable, okay, this was twice the price of this Anker cable at Walgreens. Okay, I think I paid almost 20 bucks for this cable at Walgreens, which is absolutely ridiculous. And now that I'm thinking of it, I'm probably gonna go try to get my money back. But now the other thing that I need to find out is if this will support fast charging with the 6-foot cable, and even see if it works with the 3-foot cable for that matter. But let's give this a shot. Look at that. Very impressed. Pretty cool. All right, so we're gonna check out and test the fast charging capabilities. I have it plugged into the Samsung fast chargers, the OE fast charger that came with the phone. So let's give this thing a plug in and see how it works. So this is the 6-foot cable. So this is the long one. All right, right off the bat, instant charging. Oh, look at that, fast charging. Fast charging, approximately 54 minutes till fully charged. So I don't really know, to be honest, how much faster that is versus the OE cable. But the fact that it can do fast charging for me, give me a quick boost, I'm happy with that. But again, guys, this is for 8 bucks or 9 bucks, depending on which one you buy, or 10 bucks, depending on which one you buy. These things are totally worth it. You know, from the packaging, from the customer service, to the quality of it, and the fact that it does do fast charging. I think that these things are, there we go. I think that these things are definitely worth it. You know, 2 thumbs up. I'll be leaving a really good Amazon review for these things. So if anybody needs a cable, Anker, go all the way. See ya!